Hadian laisingi baka jingeki dashong kablakhat daka Joint Action Committee of All Teachers Association of Meghalaya Jagatam kaklem sei so nakajingbom patiaw ka sarkar jala yakajing dawa jongki ban shimti no tangya ka kam hikai lani ban provincialize kinoi lam ketika sengha ka arkhundai trik naitung kila lum ye baro kinoi kai adok nadu ki primary, upper primary, secondary, higher secondary deficit pattern baki deficit system hasinda jongko office All India Radio halashumia patpen benai ki jingeki ke bakin beteng nadu benai banwan hakini ki jingelang ka bederu ka singi khaddo chonga jingeki ka blasdang nadu ka arphunyu trik naitung kinoi kai ki bahap apo ka shatri jongka jagatam ki blapoi ki deitang naka east Khasils district habakran hadian ka jingelang ucherman ka jagatamu ba idi nong siang ulai tho bikinoi kai ki la shem yakarai man pelong da karali hangni hanong ba shilong hakaba ki noi kai na baro koi ka jala kinwan mani shem benta kata kesanterik nailar mentausnam.
On the statement of the Education Minister that he is not ready to provincialize our services unless he calls the sponsoring bodies. He knows that we have been demanding this for the last 4 or 5 years and then followed up after we formed the Jagatam in 2013. Then what is happening? Why only now when we have come out to the street that he is saying that I will call the sponsoring bodies? Why not call us also? Let him know what we want. Unless he knows what we want, what is the use of discussing with the sponsoring bodies? We would like to request the government that if the government is serious and call the SMCs, then he should call us also. We should be part of the discussion with the SMCs because we are demanding rights for the teachers, not for the SMCs. We are not demanding some benefits for them, for ourselves. Because nobody, no SMC will go and talk for us to the government. No SMC has said that our teachers need service rules, our teachers need regular salary. We have to bear up even if we don't get the salary. SMCs are not ready to pay our salary, even if the government does not release our salaries. We should be included in the discussion, as I said, and I don't understand why the government shirked the responsibility to take up education. Why? It does not want to support the teachers and want to support only the SMC. What is behind in their mind, we do not know. Why there is no social security for teachers only in the state of Meghalaya? If all the other state governments in our country can provide social security, can provide service rules for teachers, why not in our state also? With just 14,000 teachers under the government-aided schools. They are giving press release that why teachers are coming out of school. Will it not affect the students? They should be reasonable, they say. Should be from the teachers and not the principal. If the principal or headmistress is the president, then can they come out like this? No. Government should take action if they come out. So maybe due to personal reasons, and then they are stopping the other teachers to come out and support us. Can they suspend the teachers from service? No. Can they terminate the teacher? Association cannot terminate the service of the teachers. Association can only expel the teachers from the association if they are not interested. Let me assure you, those who are from the secondary section, here so many of them, let me assure you that if your service are being affected by certain people of vested interest, Jagatam will struggle, will assure you that you shall not be expelled from your service. And also it is written there that we don't trust the Jakatam because they are not taking the issues of the ad hoc teachers. Let me tell you, right from the beginning, when we formed the Jakatam, provincialization of services was the main issues.